Under Meter Management, click on Add Meter. Then you fill in the required details, which includes your meter number, the manufacturer, the product, the group, the remote option, the phase, and the output. To complete the process, click on Submit.